Now it's on.
Alright, this is the first thing I do. I get my flax seeds ready into the coffee grinder. I put 2 teaspoons of flax seeds into the coffee grinder, and I put it on the side and I get it ready. I put the top on. Now that's ready to go. It's plugged in the coffee grinder, ready to go. Next I get the cottage cheese. 2% low fat, milk fat cottage cheese. 2%. I take 6 tablespoons of cottage cheese and I put it into my Ninja 2000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the cottage cheese. Then I get the flax oil, and I put 3 tablespoons of flax oil to 6 tablespoons of cottage cheese right into the Ninja 2000. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons. I get my bowl ready. Put this here, put this here. My bowl is ready. We don't need the cottage cheese anymore. We don't need the flax seeds. We don't need the oil. I highly recommend putting them right back in the refrigerator so they stay cold. Then I get my Ninja 2000 ready. I put it on. Put the top on. Get my Ninja 2000 ready in one hand, and I get my seeds ready in the other hand. And I start blending the cottage cheese and flax oil. And we're gonna do it for about maybe a minute. And you're gonna see when it comes out right, it's like the consistency of whipped cream. You ready? Okay, usually at the same time while I'm whipping that, towards the end, I'm getting my seeds going at the same time because they got to be ground fresh. I'm going to grind my seeds. And grind them, really grind them. Don't chop them, don't go for a fine ground. And that sounds about ready. Get a shot of that. Ground flax seeds, extra fine. And we'll get a shot of this over here. This is the actual cottage cheese or flax oil. This is what it looks like when it's done correctly. It looks like whipped cream. Get the spoon so you can see the consistency. The consistency is like whipped cream. And then right after that I take it out of here, out of the Ninja 2000, and then I mix it with my flax seeds and I eat it right away. I highly recommend not making or putting too much stuff in it after it's done, because it only creates too many flavors. I like to go with just cinnamon and honey, and I eat it 1, 2, 3, and it doesn't give me a problem. I find that if I added too many fruits and too many things to the equation, it's just harder and more to eat. It's a lot easier when you eat just the cottage cheese and the flaxseed alone, because you could finish it right away. And that's how I do it. Thank you, and have a nice day.